Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, a critical error occurred, failed to pass world config for your world. This means that your world data is corrupted. So the way you can fix this problem is by going to the location that is here. So just go to this location. I'm going to go to my location now. I'm going to go into roaming, Hytale, and then you're going to go into user data, saves your world name, and then you're going to go into universe first, go into worlds, default, you'll have a config.json. So what you're going to do is you're just going to move this config.json file to somewhere else. So let's say I'm going to move it to my D drive, paste here, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your Hytale folder again. You're going to go into user data, saves your world name, and then backup. And now you're going to find the most recent backup of your world, so it should be modified by the time. You'll see the most recent backup, and then you're going to open that zip file up, and then you'll have this config.json.bak file in that backup zip file. So you're going to copy that file out of there, and then you're going to go back. You're going to go into universe, worlds, default, and then you're going to paste that config.json.bak file here. And once you paste it here, now you can go ahead and restart Hytale, and once you try to play the game, you'll see that your world will now load and you will not get that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.